After strumming the lute, we're going to transition from that into step back and push to repulse the monkey 4 times. So from strumming the lute, only twist as much as you feel safe. Turn the front palm up about the height of your shoulders. Other palm goes out to the side about the height of the shoulders. The arms are the same distance from the body, the same distance from the floor. Look back to the direction of the front hand. Bring that front foot back, put your weight on it. Slide the arms so your hand is palm up at your waist. Arrange your heels for a safe T-step and push. Palm up, palm up. We're going to do 4 of these. Step back, bring the hand to your waist. Arrange a safe T-step, come over the shoulder for push. That's 2. Step back and push to repulse the monkey. 1 more time. Place the heel carefully for your T-step. Now, if I'm in strum the lute, palm up, step back. The face stays the direction I'm watching with the push. As I step back, I want to keep my face towards the same direction. It's the body and legs that are turning. Push to repulse the monkey. Okay? Good job. Now, if I'm pushing to repulse the monkey, then from here, I start grasping the bird's tail. So I'm going to go from here, just turn and make a ball. Step into bow stance. I'm going to lift my right elbow and push the palm down to the left hand because the right leg is forward in right bow stance. Then extend the arms. Shift your weight after you turn the back leg. Turn the back leg so your hips are square with the direction of your bow stance. Pretend to push, but stop that arm where it's parallel with the ground, parallel with your chest. Then go over. Circle. Keeping the fingers towards the ceiling. When you're back in bow stance, wherever you can gently push a little bit forward without tilting the fingers. Then all you're going to do is reverse it. Bow stance, lift the elbow and the arm comes up with it. Extend the arms, turn the back leg, pull. Turn the back leg so your hips are square with the front. Pretend to push. Circle. Come back to the bow stance and then gently push. So from here you can start going to this side, grasping the bird's tail. Turn the back leg. Turn the back leg. Pretend to push. Extend in an X. Come back, circle, and push. All you're going to do now is just reverse the whole thing. Bow stance, set it up, pull after you turn the back leg. Turn the back leg, come back to the original position, pretending to push. Again, the arm wants to go out. Stop it when it's parallel. Then go over, circle, and finish. Grasping the bird's tail.